This is Revanth. So today we discuss about the physical quantities. So see Nana, physical quantities we discuss it. So on before that, so when we have to discuss about the physical quantity, so before that we need to discuss about the quantity. So for example, so when we are going to the any shop for buying the pen, so you need to ask to the shopkeeper, give a pen. Then shopkeeper asking to the one question, how many pens you want? Yes or no, no? Yes. So the next, when you are going to the another shop, you wanted to ask the give a sugar. The next, the shopkeeper asks to the you how much sugar you want. See Nana, there the how many and see here there the how much. So what is this? How many and how much? Imagine that how much and how many. So these are is with interrelated to what we have to want. Okay now, for example, I want the 2 pens. Yes or no? I want the 1 kg sugar. So 2 pens and 1 kg sugar. So when you have to ask like this, the shopkeeper give the when you are asking the 2 pen, the shopkeeper gives the 2 pen. When you are asking the 1 kg, the shopkeeper give the 1 kg. So here the how much and how many. So these are all nothing but quantity. Okay now, this is nothing but quantity. For example, I have a chalk piece. Yes or no? How many chalk piece I have? 1 chalk piece. So 1 chalk piece is nothing but a quantity. Yes or no? I have a couple of some sugar and my horn in my hand. So what is that? So this is nothing but when we have to calculate that, so it will equal to the 2 kg or 3 kg. Okay now? So that is nothing but what Nana? How much and how many. So the quantity is nothing but it's represent the how much and how many. So that is the quantity Nana. So from that, what is physical? So physical, we know the quantity. What is physical? So see here, physical is nothing but which it is appear. Yes or no? And when we have to say, so physical quantities is nothing but, see here. So this is the chalk piece. Someone asked him, how much length is the chalk piece? What can I do? So for example, I can do when I am for example, I can take the scale and I need to measure like this. Okay now, for example, it is the 5 centimeter. Yes or no? 5 centimeter means the chalk piece is able to measuring. Yes or no? So it is able to measurable. Yes or no? Yes. And for example, my hand is able to measurable. For example, my leg is measurable. Yes or no? Yes. For example, my phone is measurable. Yes or no? Okay. So these quantities we call that is nothing but a physical quantity. So for example, space is there. Space is immeasurable? No. Space is immeasurable? No. So why? Because there is no calculation. So the space is continuously moving on. So already we know that that is the fabric theory is there. Okay na? It's continuously moving on. Okay na? According to the Big Bang theory, so the collision will be occurred between the some particles and it will be move forward. Okay na? So that is the astrophysics. Okay na? So when we have to discuss about the physical quantity, there is a clear idea is there. What is the clear idea about the physical quantity? So we can measure. Yes or no? The measurable quantities we say that is nothing but a the measurable quantities is nothing but physical quantities. So there are the so many quantities are there. So many physical quantities are there. Among them, we need to discuss the mainly 2 physical quantities. So what are they? For example, see here. One is scalar physical quantity. Another one is vector physical quantity. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Scalar physical quantity and vector physical quantity. These are the we discussed here from the physical quantities. Why? Because there is the so many physical quantities are there. Among them, we need to discuss about the scalar physical quantity and the vector physical quantity. So see now, what is scalar physical quantity? So any physical quantity, it's depending upon the one is magnitude, one is direction. Yes or no? If the magnitude is there, but some quantities won't be have a direction. Yes or no? So we mainly classify 2 quantities depending upon the direction. Okay na? So see, here the scalar quantity is there. Scalar physical quantity. So scalar quantity is nothing but what? It's only having the magnitude and there is no direction. How it is possible? This statement is correct or wrong? Okay na? So we need to check that. Okay na? So if you are saying anything, we need to go through a practical way. Okay na? So for example, see, so I have a mobile, or I have a, for example, chalk piece. I have a textbook. So see here, this is a physics textbook. Okay na? So it's having the direction. Okay na? See here. So for example, from here to here some distance is there. So we say that is nothing but a length. Yes or no? Yes. What is the length of this book? What is the length of this book means what we have to do? We need to place a scale and we need to measure. First it is a quantity, physical quantity. Yes or no? Then next we need to check either it is a scalar or vector. Okay na? So see here. So there is a chalk piece is there. Next, the chalk piece, how much long it will be there, okay na? How much length it will be occurred, okay na? To the chalk piece, okay na? The chalk piece occupied on the board, how much length, okay na? How much length of the chalk piece occupied on the board area? Quantity. Scalar quantity means it's having only magnitude. There is no direction. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Thank you.